Welcome to News Nexus. I'm Margaret, and today we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, acidity and how to manage it naturally at home. If you often experience heartburn or acid reflux, this video will help you explore simple remedies and lifestyle changes to ease your discomfort. Let's get started. Acidity, also known as acid reflux, occurs when there is excess production of acid by the gastric glands in the stomach. This leads to a burning sensation in the chest, discomfort, and sometimes even bloating. While occasional acidity is normal, frequent bouts can interfere with daily life. Luckily, there are some natural remedies you can try at home. Today, we'll be covering a range of remedies, including ginger tea, baking soda, and apple cider vinegar. First, let's understand why acidity occurs. The main culprit behind acid reflux is the excess production of hydrochloric acid in your stomach. This happens due to factors like stress, overeating, consumption of spicy foods, alcohol, or even lying down immediately after eating. Chronic conditions like GERD or gastroesophageal reflux disease can also contribute to frequent acidity. One of the most effective natural remedies for acidity is ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the stomach. To make ginger tea, boil about an inch of fresh ginger in 2 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink this soothing tea 2 to 3 times a day to relieve symptoms. Baking soda is another common remedy for acidity, as it neutralizes stomach acid. Simply mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it. Remember, this solution is effective, but should not be overused, as too much can upset the balance of electrolytes in your body. Apple cider vinegar might sound counterintuitive, but this acidic substance can help balance your stomach's pH levels. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it before meals. It helps prevent acid reflux by creating an acidic environment that aids digestion. Aloe vera juice is a great way to soothe irritation in the digestive tract. Extract fresh aloe vera gel and mix it with water, or buy ready-made aloe vera juice from the store. Drinking about a quarter cup daily can help ease symptoms of acidity. There are several other effective remedies you can try. Bananas are alkaline and can help neutralize stomach acid. Fennel seeds aid digestion and reduce bloating. Coconut water acts as a natural coolant for the stomach. Yogurt, rich in probiotics, can help regulate your digestive system. Chamomile tea helps calm your stomach and mind, reducing acid production. Beyond home remedies, making some lifestyle changes can help prevent acidity. Here are a few tips. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Stay well hydrated throughout the day. Maintain a healthy weight. Manage stress through mindfulness or meditation. And finally, try to elevate the head of your bed to reduce nighttime acid reflux. While most cases of acidity can be managed at home, there are times when you should consult a doctor. If you experience severe chest pain, have difficulty swallowing, or notice unexplained weight loss, it's important to seek medical advice. These could be signs of a more serious underlying condition. Incorporating these home remedies and lifestyle adjustments can help you manage acidity more effectively. Remember, consistency is key. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to News Nexus for more health tips and natural remedies. Feel free to share your experiences with these remedies in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.